Hello everyone, subscribe to Uncle Wisdom's channel on YouTube, like, comment on the videos, watch all of the videos. It's to do with maths, problem solving. It teaches you a lot of skills that are useful in the maths subject, so make sure to watch all the videos.
Good day class, my name is Uncle Wisdom. Today we shall be solving the previous class exercise on writing an improper fraction as a mixed number and a mixed number as an improper fraction. So, solution. Number 1. So, we are asked to write 21/4 as a mixed number. 21/4. To write it as a mixed number, this implies that 21 divided by 4. 21 divided by 4 will give us 5. 5 multiplied by 4 will give us 20. And 21 minus 20 will give us 1. 1 divided by 4 cannot go. Therefore, 1 is the remainder. Then we now put it 1/4. This now implies that 21/4 is equal to 5 whole number 1/4. This is our answer. Here now, we've achieved writing this 21/4, which is improper fraction, to a mixed number, which is 5 whole number 1/4. The second one said write 21 whole number 3/4 as an improper fraction. So remember that for you to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction, you multiply whole number by the denominator. Then after which multiply this, and then you now add the numerator. Add the numerator. So this implies 21 whole number 3/4 is equal to 4. That is 21 multiplied by 4 plus 3. 21 multiplied by 4 will give us 84 plus 3 all over 4, which is equal to 84 plus 3 will give us 87. 87 all over 4. So 87 all over 4 is our answer. This one is a mixed number, 21 whole number 3/4. We've achieved converting it to an improper fraction, which is 87 all over 4. That is our answer. That is that for the previous class exercise. Please always follow us on Uncle Wisdom's YouTube channel. Subscribe and also share, so that your friends and well-wishers will also benefit from the class. Thank you very much.